This is Brian. I'm one of the instructors at the Computer Workshop, and in today's tutorial I'm going to take you through Word, where we are going to create a custom bullet to put our own logo in place. Now, as you can see, I have a document set up here. Granted, it is just Latin gibberish here, lorem ipsum text, but we're going to go ahead and make this into a bulleted list. So the first thing I want to do is just highlight this text, so I'll just drag it up. And then on the Home tab in the ribbon, I'm going to look at the paragraph group and locate the bullet drop down here. Now, if I just click on this button, I will get the little black dot bullet, the one bullet that we have all seen so many times before. You have a few other choices to choose from here, but we are going to go all the way down here and choose Define New Bullet. Clicking this, we are now looking at the Define New Bullet window, where you could choose to replace the existing bullet with a symbol. So in other words, any character from any font that you have on your system. So I'm going to just click on this, and you can see that it is using the font symbol. From the drop down here, you have access to all the fonts on your computer. Great ones for this type of feature would be things like Wingdings and Webdings. They have all kinds of fun little characters that you can use. So I'm going to just go ahead here and put on, how about a fish for today? So I'll go ahead and just double click that, and I will click OK, and there we have bullets of fish. Now I'm going to zoom this in to make this easier to see, and there you can see are the little fish. Now that is the beginning of this, but we really want to use this as an opportunity to continue branding our document with our corporate identity, so we'll use the logo. So with our list selected, we'll go back to the drop down for the bullets, and we will choose Define New Bullet. And this time, instead of using a symbol, we're going to use a picture. So when we choose picture, you're able to search for things that you have on your computer or network. You can go ahead and search the internet for an image, or you can access your personal OneDrive. Now in this case, I'm going to just choose to use from File, where I will click Browse. This will by default take you to your Pictures folder, where you can begin to look for your logos or any other things. You, of course, can navigate through your system or network to find the images that you want. In this case, I'm going to choose the logo and click Insert. I have the little icons here, and again, I can now go ahead and click OK, and I have created a custom branded bullet. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's little tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like us. Just click the little subscribe button down below also. We do put out new videos every Friday, so please feel free to come back in and see what's coming up next time. You can also check to see what classes we have coming up by visiting us at www.tcworkshop.com. So until we meet next time, take care for now.